Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do for you to delete your account is to log in using your credentials. Now, to delete your Evernote account, you just have to follow these simple steps. Alright, so open your Evernote on your mobile device and then hover to the upper left corner where you can see your profile icon, depending if you're using an iOS or an Android. A matter of fact, I'm using an Android, so I'm hover here to the upper right corner. I'm gonna click on the settings, and then you just have to click on the more settings at the very bottom part of your screen. Now, if you do, there is a hamburger menu on the top right corner. You see this. I want you to click on it, and then what will happen is I want you to click the profile. All right. And then, as you can see, all I have to do now is hover down below where you can see the option that says close your Evernote account. All I have to do is click on that button and you would be forwarded to the account status. All right. Sign in. Now, you would notice that closing your account will permanently remove your data and content. So before you delete your account here in Evernote, you might want to make sure that you create a data, or it's a good idea to export your notes and data, as the process is irreversible once completed. Now, the thing is, you will be asked to confirm the decision to delete or deactivate your account, and you just have to follow the instructions to finalize the process. If you choose to delete, all right, if you're really already decided, your account and data will be permanently erased after a 7-day grace period. All right, so that's one way. Obviously, I'm not gonna close my Evernote account because I'm still using it, especially here in Deep Labs YouTube channel, because we are a handful of individuals and we use Evernote as one of our project management tool to collaborate. Now, if in case you are having problems deleting your account here in Evernote, I want you to just basically go here in the help center, submit a support request. You will be then forwarded to this section wherein you see accounts, log in, report a technical issue. All right, closing your account. All right, so subject is closing account. All right, and from here put in all the information, problems, closing, removing account, and click the submit button, and one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps to hopefully fix the problem if in case you encounter any issues. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.